Tonight we're having a girls' night with Ting. Now what do girls love? They love to dress up and they love cocktails. So tonight we're going to be doing both.
We have 5 deliciously themed cocktails, all using Ting, and we're going to serve them up girls' night style. Let's go, girls.
All right, guys, we've got the green Ting. It's everybody's favorite shooter, the green tea, and we turned it into a cocktail with Ting.
Woo! Let's make it!
Bravo. Wow, we're so fancy.
Pinkies out. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers, darling.
I love sangria, and they taste even better with Ting. Life's a beach, and I'm just drinking on it.
Woo!
Go, guys.
Yes, beach! Cheers, ladies! I'm serving up a raspberry sorbet cocktail topped with Ting. Giddy up!
Heard there's a fire in town. It's actually my drink. It's called the Fiery Tang. It's a MEZCAL Rosemary Paloma.
Girl, you can light my fire! Cheers! Do you want that smoke? She's giving it.
No fires allowed.
Ahoy, mateys! You know us pirates love some rum, so today we're drinking some grapefruit mojitos with Ting.
Shimmer me timber.
Cheers! Now you guys go enjoy your girls' night and make one of these Ting cocktails at home.